Hi, welcome to Center Street Cheese Shop, located in downtown Anaheim. Today we're making a pricier charcuterie board that probably ranges around $400 to $500. We specialize in cheese, meats, and wine from around the world. Everything is cut fresh, and our selection is always changing. On here we have Stilton, Boucheron, an awesome 3-week-old French goat smoke, Alpine Swiss that's covered in edible flowers, a 4-year-old Gouda from Holland, Mahone, North Hollander, Bresaola, cured beef from Italy, duck prosciutto, and duck brie. Welcome to our cheese shop.